Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to participate in the LayerEdge airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So this is another airdrop campaign you won't want to miss out. So for those of you that missed out on Grass Not Pay, you can participate in this campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So you can perform this on your PC, you can perform this using your mobile device as well. So I'm going to tell you guys on a hack on how to get massive points from this airdrop campaign. So due to YouTube policy, I'm not going to say it here. I'm only going to write it down in my Telegram group. So for those of you that are not in my Telegram group, please make sure to join my Telegram group to get the update. So for you to get started, to stay positioned for the LayerEdge airdrop campaign, what you all need to do is to visit their official site. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. For those of you that don't have PC, you can also use your mobile device in participating in this campaign. So you can download Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser, then download MetaMask extension. So once your MetaMask extension or any EVN extension of your choice is ready, now what you all need to do is to visit this site, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video in my Telegram group, and click on Connect Wallet. After that, you select your preferred wallet, like I'll be using MetaMask. So now what you need to do is to click on Connect. So if you're using a mobile device like Mrs. Browser, it's going to automatically take you to your MetaMask extension for you to connect. So click on Connect. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, after clicking on connect, they are going to tell you welcome, please enter your invitation code to access the platform. So what you all need to do is to please use my code. You can see it on the screen, use it. So this campaign is going to end on the 28th of this month. That is for the LayerEdge beta. So on the 28th, the public beta testnet will open. You can run your light node on a VPS or through any node provider like Rabby node or a mid-10. So you just have 2 days to go as a time of making this video. So I'll make sure I edit this video and post it now. So make sure to do this immediately you are seeing it, because you don't need stress. Yours is to activate it, which I'm going to show you. So please make sure to use my invitation code. Alright guys, so after validating the invitation code, it's going to bring you to this page. So you're going to see something like this. So before you click on start node, you're going to see day street 1, then you click on claim reward, then click on claim reward. Alright guys, so you can see reward claim successful. So in the next 24 hours, come back and claim your reward again. So now what you just need to do is to click on start node. So for those of you using your mobile device, please make sure to set the site to desktop mode so that you can see everything. So after that, you just click on start node. Alright, you're going to see processing. So you're going to see 50 processing. Then your EVM wallet is going to open for you to approve the connection. So you don't need to click on sign, then click on confirm. So you're going to see node is running. You just need to leave it for it to operate itself. So you can use your mobile phone to do it. So you can see total node point. Just leave it to mine. You can copy your referral code here and send it to your friend. You can continue using this. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys a hack that is going to help you to mine this faster. So I'm going to drop it in my Telegram group. So due to YouTube policy and the rest, I'm not going to say it or show you guys here. I'm just going to drop it in my Telegram group. So please make sure to join my Telegram group to get the update. I'll be dropping a direct link to the post to my Telegram group at the description of this video for it to help. And like I said, if you don't have PC, you can use your mobile device in participating in this airdrop campaign. Download Mrs. browser, then you are good to go. So looking on the screen, this is my mobile device. I'm using it to run this campaign as well. I'm using Mrs. browser. If you don't know how to download MetaMask extension, I'm going to drop a video guide at the description of this video that is going to help you. So now if you want to exit it, fine, it's going to work at the background. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you, like I said at the description of this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friends in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.